espresso. Nice. Even if I say so myself. Okay, to make a one-touch cappuccino, just remove the little nozzle. By the way, there's the water tank, easy. Stick in the milk jug, which of course I've just taken out of the fridge. There it is, can't be much simpler. So we could do with a cup there, there's a little nozzle. And this though, you do have to pre-program it for the amount of milk and the amount of water by pressing the button and then pressing it again. So I've already done that of course, so this is for this size cup and one-touch cappuccino. And the milk, and now ground the coffee at the same time and you finito. So my question is, why did you not include this lovely machine, which is so quick and easy? Just empty the pellets out every now and again. Buy whatever coffee you want in beans, whatever. Great, quite a stylish little neat machine. By the way, when you turn it off and on, it gives itself a little rinse. So you can program it, turn it off after half an hour, whatever, 2 hours I think. I have mine for an hour, so let's turn it off, save a bit of electricity, and it will give itself a little rinse. Don't forget to stick the milk back in the fridge. Thank you.